If you are someone like me who likes chic everyday glam that looks effortless yet put together, this brown soft glam look is for you. It's perfect for Indian skin tones, it's warm, flattering and works for both day and night. So I'm starting off with this face wash followed by this I Am From Rice starter kit. It comes with 3 minis. I'm using the rice toner and the moisturizer today. The toner is very nice and hydrating. It contains rice extracts that brightens, balances and adds a natural glow to the skin. The cream I also found pretty nourishing and hydrating that deeply hydrates while leaving your skin soft, smooth, radiant and glowy. Next for primer, using this Lakme Unreal Blurfect primer. It's a beautiful silky primer that blurs out your pores and fine lines for a flawless smooth base, perfect for oily skin. For my base, I'm using this NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. It's a cult favorite concealer that brightens up your skin. It corrects and conceals. The formula is very creamy, buildable, lightweight and also gives you a very natural radiant finish and doesn't look cakey or patchy. For my under eyes, I'm gonna add a little bit of Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer. It's a full coverage, crease-proof concealer that looks beautiful underneath my eyes. It hides everything from dark circles to blemishes and looks pretty much flawless. Next, using this e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush. It's highly pigmented, lightweight, melts into the skin, gives a very natural finish, buildable, blendable and quite long-lasting. To set everything in place, using this lightweight loose setting powder. It blurs out your pores, controls shine, gives a very smooth natural matte finish, and then using a setting spray to lock the base makeup in. Then for my brows, using this Benefit Goof Proof Eyebrow Pencil. It's an easy to use brow pencil. It precisely shapes, fills and defines your brows. It's also smudge proof and quite long lasting. But today I have this affordable option that will blow your mind. This is from STAZE. It literally costed me 150 rupees and this is the smooth pigmented pencil that effortlessly defines and fills in your brows in minutes. Love the formulation and the finish of it, and you cannot really tell the difference between the high-end and the affordable one. Then using this clear brow gel from Benefit that locks your brows into place, and this is quite long wearing, it's wetless and non-sticky. If you think it is quite pricey for you, you can also try the e.l.f. or the Nykaa one. Moving on to the main focus of this look, which is eyes. Using this beautiful brown shade all over my crease and the outer corners to give that brown smoky effect. Then using this lighter brown shade to blend out the edges so that there is no harsh lines and everything looks nice and seamless. Now I'm gonna take this brown Kohl from PAC and I'm gonna thickly line my upper lash line. Try to stay as close to your lash line as possible. You don't have to be super neat cause I'm gonna smoke it out anyway. But do one eye at a time cause once the Kohl sets, it sets into place and doesn't move or budge. Then with the help of a pencil brush, I'm gonna take the brown eyeshadow and smoking it further. And lastly, running my crease brush all over my eyelid so that everything looks nice and cohesive. It just makes everything look seamless, blended and smokier. Whatever is left in the brush, I'm using it on my bottom lash line just to give a little bit of color. And to finish off the eyes, I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply this new mascara. It's a beautiful volumizing mascara that gives your lashes that volume, length and lift. I love the unique brush it comes with and it gives you that instant drama and fullness without any clumpy look. So overall, I would say this is totally worth your money. To amp up the brown look, I'm gonna use this iconic NARS Laguna bronzer. It adds that perfect amount of warmth and dimension to the face. It gives you that perfect sun-kissed glow in the most natural way possible. Moving on to the lips, using this Makeup Forever multi-use pencil to define my lips. Love the formulation of this, glides on super smooth, works perfectly as a lip liner and it keeps your lips defined on point all day cause it's quite long lasting. To finish up the look, using this Nykaa Matte to Last lipstick in the shade Chai. The formula is very lightweight, it's matte, it's super comfortable and this is a beautiful warm brown shade for Indian skin tone. It's neither too light nor too dark. If you are from a deep dusky skin tone, this is going to be a perfect nude brown for you. Lastly, using this Shimmer Brick highlighter to highlight all of the highest points of my face, and I love the formulation cause it's quite smooth and blendable. It doesn't contain any shimmer or glitter chunks to it. Perfect for Indian skin tone. If you want a radiant golden highlight, you can try this one. Also with the same highlighter, I'm gonna highlight the inner corners of my eyes to give my eyes some pop. And lastly, using this Dalba First Spray Serum to give my skin that dewy glass-like glow. Before blow drying my hair, I always use this BBlunt Hot Shot Heat Protection Hair Mist. It's a hair mist that shields your hair from heat damage and it keeps your hair smooth, frizz-free and protects every time you style your hair. And to style my hair, I'm using this Agaro Hair Volumizer. And that's the look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this glam as much as I loved creating it. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more makeup videos like this. And definitely do hype this video if you like it, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye!